Come test drive the 2025 Pathfinder. The Pathfinder has a premium interior with 3 rows of seating for up to 7 passengers, as well as versatile seating and cargo configurations. This SUV appeals to both truck lovers and car lovers. This vehicle has less than 100 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: backup camera, power lift gate, keyless entry, traction control, stability control, power passenger seat, remote engine start, lane departure warning, steering wheel audio controls, LED headlights. Immerse yourself in pure bliss as you cruise along, leaving your worries behind.